Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Bookish Tarot. I know it's been long and I have not posted anything. Actually, I was really busy in getting a job and doing some personal stuff. So I didn't post for a very long time, but I'm back and it's my goal to, post like maybe 5 or 6 times a week. Let's see if I'll be able to stick to my goals. I hope you all are doing good. And so let's start with the reading. So today's reading is usually for the people, everyone who are actually feeling a lot frustrated these days. Like we all, like everybody, it's a habit of like most of the majority of the people that whenever we set into a new year, we make resolutions. So we decide that we are trying, we will be breaking certain patterns and we'll be achieving the goal. So the first 15 days of January like goes, when we are all pumped up. But lately, and I have been talking to some of my girlfriends also, and this thing that a lot of things from the past are coming back. Not just not just the people, but also the past memories, that are very painful, like all the regrets, all the frustrations, and even the things that we have been wanting for us to manifest in our life for a very long time, but they're still not asking. So including me, I have also been getting this feeling that a lot of us are fed up, and very angry that why I'm doing everything right. If I whether it's practically or spiritually, I'm trying. Every guidance that has been provided is there at my disposal, whether they are like tarot reader asking me to do the healing, and or even after getting a personal reading, people are asking me to focus on myself. But for how long should I have to wait before things start happening for me also? So this is a very strong feeling that a lot of people are facing right now. So especially if you are this reading will definitely resonate with you if you are mostly in the divine feminine energy. It can be male or female. So if you are in a definitely in a divine feminine energy, so divine feminines are actually feeling very heavy right now. So here it is, they are feeling very heavy. Okay, it's like a big burden. But the best part of ten of wands is that this is the end of the cycle. This is the end of a heavy cycle, whether it's emotionally, mentally, physically, or any financially, any kind of troubles you are facing, any kind of mental conflict you are facing, and you're really being um, asked to face a lot of heavy energies, energies from the past, frustrations of the things that have not been manifested. So this is the ten of wands is a feeling that a lot of people can relate to at this time. Okay, if it's if this reading doesn't resonate with you, so maybe a next reading will do definitely. So the universe is asking that please have patience. Of course, a lot of people don't want to hear that. What patience? Every time, why am I asked to stay patient? So just hold it there. If you're actually having a difficulty to stay grounded, or have a difficulty to stay positive, maybe you can reach out to your friend and talk about it. When you will talk it out, so maybe it will won't have a lot of power on you, your issues, like they have now. And the ones who are asking me, there was it's quite out of the topic, but I think I should be sharing this with you. So there was a time in my life when I was going through a lot professionally, and so I discussed it with one of my friends, and he suggested me that if you really want that the intensity of problems get lessened, that the things in your life don't trouble you a lot, start making fun of them. Start bringing out humor in them. so their intensity will lessen for you, so you will be able to deal with them properly. So I don't know if you're gonna take my suggestion or not. It's just if somebody wants a suggestion in that way. So right now, reach out to somebody. Just try to find a humor in everything. Okay, even if it makes like it makes you and your best friend laugh at all the issues that you, all the messiness that's there in your life. I know it's easier said and done, but try it. Okay, moving on to Queen of Wands. So Queen of Wands is is my favorite queen, because I'm an Aries, Sun and Venus. So Queen of my Wands is